Hey guys, I'm back with a 12 by 12 layout, and it's of me and my mommy. Anywho, I've taken out most of my washi tapes because, not most of them, that's by far all my washi tape, but it's what kind of matched, I think. Anywho, this paper came from Studio Calico. It is, I'm sure it's old, I don't really know, 7 paper, Goldie, but I got it in that Citrus Twist warehouse box, and I thought it just went perfect. These two are from those 6x6 pads I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut them in half. Pardon my belly, that's a little Serenity Grace in there. It's not the Taco Bell I had for lunch, I promise. Anywho, let's get started. Okay, hold on, because I wanted to... Actually, I think that'll be fine. Nope, I can't put that down yet. I'll show you the ephemera pack that I'm using in just a minute, but I've got some of my clusters over there, so... I do want to move them. And there's really no rhyme or reason as to how far apart I'm putting the papers. But I will not put them upside down, hopefully. I don't care what I do, I always put them on crooked. Crooked. Okay. Oh, that's what I was going to do. Let's put some of this washi tape in the middle. Wasn't sure if this would match, but I think the turquoise is going to be far enough away that it'll be okay. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Tomorrow is the old July 4th, and my shop is closed, and he has told me, the boss man, that we will probably have half a day on Friday. Which I'm super duper excited about, because who wouldn't be? Am I right? Alright, let's see what we got here. Perfection. Well, maybe not perfect, but I didn't want to... Oh, you know what? No. I have some dark blue. Maybe I could, just to incorporate it. This is like a vellum that I have no idea where I got it from, so. But I didn't think I would mat it. That gives it just a little something though. That's good. Hey, 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 get on there. All right. This says Hobby Lobby time, or it's supposed to. The H got cut off because I have no editing skills. But my husband, he had asked, or he had said hey to me one morning because he goes in super early. So this was 10 times out of 10 this was on a Saturday. And instead of just saying, me and my mom are Hobby Lobby, I sometimes will send him a picture just to be cutesy. Got this word remember out of my stash. Okay, and then this is a die that I got from, I'm almost positive it was like a, no, I think maybe it was from China, on my cheap China die video. I don't know if this one was on there, but one thing I realized after I bought it was it's super skinny, so it's kind of hard to put adhesive on it, but I could just run it through my sticker maker, huh? Anyway, so the ephemera pack is Millie and June, Fancy Pants, I don't know. I've had it for quite some time, but I'm throwing the pack away because this is all that I have left from it, and I'm going to make Mother's Day cards with these because happy Grandmother's Day, I've got the best mom, so I'm going to make Mother's Day cards with those, and then I'll be ready for next year because I haven't sent Mother's Day cards out probably for 2 years in a row, and that's just horrible. Okay, that's probably what you're saying. And so all these little ephemera pieces are from there, and so things like the phone, you know, I'm just kind of trying to use up. But I am the daughter. And then I got one over here that says mother. Oh, sorry, did I hit you guys? And then, you know, the ephemera packs always come with little ones like a poodle. So I'm going to take this opportunity to use that. Why? Because it's in the ephemera pack and it's cutesy and my mommy's cutesy, so whatever. This is one of those homemade epoxy dots with just some scrap paper and an epoxy dot. One of these from Hobby Lobby. This little piece was just in my little bucket over there, and I try to always go through them so to get rid of them one piece down, you know. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it feels like an accomplishment. So this is just an offcut from one of my I was doing a bunch of die cuts one night just to kind of have them used. Well, not used, but have them available. And that was one of the offcuts, and I just kept it because I thought it was kind of like looked like a gear. That purse is another one. This is another. This sticker actually came from a book from Hobby Lobby. So yeah. And then I got a few pieces down here. I wasn't sure if I'd use them. I kind of need to. I don't know. Yeah. Incorporate some gold over here because there wasn't nothing going on. Let's see. We'll do an arrow by mother. And then one by daughter. Yeah. Oh, I tried to pick that up. Alright, so I wasn't sure about these cameras. I think I've kind of filled it up now. I don't know if it'll fit anywhere cohesively. Where are you at, little bits and pieces? These pinks don't really match. So, we're gonna wait on you. Alright, I think I'm going to do some sprinkly hearts. I'll be right back. Okay. No, sorry. It's running all in the camera. You may, baby. Anyway, so I did some, you're not going to be able to tell by camera, but these sequins are gold with like a black stripe through it. So it matches, but they kind of blend, but I like that. It's not, it's there, but it's not, you know, in your face. So, and then I put a few glitter hearts, just like 2 or 3. And that's it. You guys have a great 4th tomorrow. And I will see you guys next time. And don't forget, get your crafty time in today. Bye.